for Di Maria, touched on by Alvarez. Di Maria, away from Koundé. He's got a breath, a heartbeat.
Last time round, and then again at France is in the final. Here is Julian Alvarez! The referee has pointed at the spot.
Mbappe just can't get his motor started. De Paul caught again. Brings it back. Otamendi had a tug. So hold on, just hold on.
Very similar, actually, to the one on Di Maria. A little tangle of legs in there, just there. And again, VAR aren't going to overrule the ref there. And France.
Mbappe, compelled, obliged. A president on his feet, a superstar re-enlivened, a nation re-infused with hope.
Yeah.
Moments remain of an epic World Cup final. Mbappe. One of the greatest football matches ever. A minute of it left. Messi plays it in. Koundé plays it out. By Martinez. Dybala, they could counter here, Argentina. It's Messi. He has players beyond them. And Messi has rolled it through. And Martinez waits in the middle. Lautaro Martinez wide.
He's panicked, hasn't he, Martinez? He's just thought about having a shot from a tighter angle and then thought, no, I'll duck in again.
Thank you. What can you say but thank you? For surely one of the greatest football matches that has ever been played.
Argentina.
Of course, हम सब चाहते हैं यहाँ पे मेसी के लिए अर्जेंटीना के लिए एक यादगार दिन रहे।
221 में से 2, आखिरी 32 में से 2 ऐसी टीम्स जो 2 बार विश्व कप जीत चुकी है। लीजिए, फिलहाल कुछ कुछ हो रहा है मैदान पर, क्योंकि अनहेल डी मारिया के पास बॉल है। डेम्बेले को पार किया लाजवाब तरीके से, अनहेल डी मारिया, मिली है पेनल्टी।
डी मारिया को बुलाया गया था शायद इसी मौके के लिए, यहाँ पे फाउल कंसीड करते हुए।
मेसी का सपना, उनके देश का सपना, पूरी दुनिया का सपना मकसद के करीब आए हैं, शिखर पर चढ़ने के करीब आए हैं।
डी मारिया को बुलाया गया था शायद इसी मौके के लिए, यहाँ पे फाउल कंसीड करते हुए।
मेसी का सपना, उनके देश का सपना, पूरी दुनिया का सपना मकसद के करीब आए हैं, शिखर पर चढ़ने के करीब आए हैं। उपमकानो
एक साइड से वहां पे अल्वारेस प्रेस करते हुए
Messi fell to his knees, Peter, in the centre circle, didn't he? He fell to his knees, surrounded by teammates. Incredible scenes here.
Lionel Messi has shaken hands with paradise. The little boy from Rosario, Santa Fe, has just pitched up in heaven. He climbs into a galaxy of his own. He has his crowning moments. And of course he is not...
Give me freedom, give me fire, give me reason, take me higher. See the champions take the field down. Unify us, make us feel proud. In the streets our heads are lifting as we lose our inhibition. Celebration, it surrounds us. Every nation, all around us. Sing forever young, singing songs that we beat the song. Let's rejoice in the beautiful game. And together at the end of the day, we all say, when I will be stronger. They'll call me.
No. Oh, he tried it.
Run. Oh, and the ball has been kicked against Lee, and Lucas Hintozea will score one of the easiest and most bizarre goals of his career. Remarkable! And he definitely stepped into it. He knew what he was doing.
Decides to go right this time, and that pass almost ran away from Seoul. You see here at the moment the attacking zones powered by AWS, 67% down the left hand.
What's wrong with you?
And we've got a goal. What the heck happened there? What a mistake from Robert Andrews. Johannes Geis to take. Well, that was high, wide, and not so handsome.
But they have struggled in attack. Here's Cordoba, lovely header. Sørensen's there! Nice! Fredrik Sørensen with his first ever Bundesliga goal. And Köln are back in the game and have plenty of time to try and fashion an equaliser. And the goal is given. And Kyriakos Papadopoulos is shown a yellow card into the bargain.
And the Oscar goes to Kyriakos Papadopoulos.
Enter with a bit of space to run into here. In the middle, Stesak, and it's an own goal, and Bochum lead inside 2 minutes. Heino tries to block it, it comes off his own keeper, and then I think he heads it in himself.
Pigeon whisperer, Maxi Arnold.
I think the pigeon wants some of that ball.
He's out of the way now for this corner, which Arnold will take for Wolfsburg. Here comes that corner for the away team, flicked away.
No malice aforethought. First touch from Muller. He gave up, but then he realised he probably would get it.